What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to my channel. Obviously you can tell there's a new truck behind me, and that's because I finally got myself a work truck. This is something I've really needed for a while now. So I got myself a Dodge Ram 5500 diesel. It's a beautiful truck. I'm super lucky that I was able to get this truck. The business has been going really well so far, and this is the next thing that I really needed to get in order to, just do installs and bring material to jobs and actually work on site. And I wanted to wait to make sure I could get, the right truck, and I definitely think I got the right truck because this thing's amazing. I've driven it around so far. It drives great, super high quality. I'm very impressed with the truck so far. And in today's video, I want to show you guys exactly how I'm going to be putting together the bed for this truck. I thought about buying one, but I realized there really isn't anything out there that I can buy that fits my needs. And I'd have to modify something if I did buy a bed. So I figured I might as well just build the whole thing from scratch. I could do a better job anyways. It'd be heavy duty and better quality than most of the stuff you can buy. So in today's video, I want to show you guys and bring you along with me as I go through the entire process of putting this bed together and figuring out all the different things I need to make this thing work. This is the first time I've done anything like this, but I've done a lot of research and I've been thinking about this for a while, so I think I have all my bases covered, but we'll see what happens. Let me show you guys exactly what I've been doing so far because I couldn't wait and I started cutting out material already, and then I remembered I should probably make a video about this. But let's go over and see what I've been working on so far. So I just wanted to show you guys my plan for CNC plasma cutting the part of the headache rack for the truck. Now this is something I did on Aspire, which is a software from Vectric. Make sure you guys check them out if you're doing any type of CNC routing or CNC plasma cutting. They have a bunch of different types of software, and it makes it really easy to design and program stuff for the machine. And so I know this looks kind of weird now, but my plan for doing this and having all these shapes on the edges is so that, one, I only have to weld right here along these tabs. So if you guys remember the shape of the truck, this kind of follows the outline of the rack, and then this down here will sit on top of the deck of the truck. guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope you learned something as well, because I know I definitely did. A couple quick things before I go. I want to thank the sponsors that make building things like this possible. Number one, I want to thank Ferd. They make the best abrasives out there. You guys have to check them out if you're a metal worker. You just got to check them out to see the sheer volume of products that they make. They make stuff I've never even seen before. If you need a type of abrasive, I'm positive they have it. So make sure to check out Ferd. Those guys are awesome. Also, make sure to check out Avid CNC. It's probably my favorite tool in this entire shop. I use it every single day, and it allows me to do stuff that just isn't possible to do by hand. There's no way I could have made that bumper or that headache rack by hand. It's just not possible. So having a tool like that opens up so many new doors for me. And if you're a metal shop, you gotta look into getting a CNC. And if you do look into getting a CNC, make sure to check out Avid CNC. And also, if you're a woodworker, they make CNC routers too. I know I'm not much of a woodworker these days, but if you guys are, they make routers. And lastly, I want to thank Strong Hand Tools for sending me that awesome fixture table and welding accessories that I use every single day. I can't stress it enough how important it is to have a flat work surface and actually have clamps that you could use to fixture your parts, because I know if you welded before, you know that if you don't clamp your part down and you try and weld it, it's going to warp and it's going to move. So make sure to check them out. They make great stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.